Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is a 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,460s. We expected crude oil to stay in downtrend. Right after the opening, the price tried to move above 4,460, resulted in a failure, so it came down. We could see the price taking some support around 4,430. It's quite usual. It's not surprising because on the previous day the price exactly took the support near the same area. But this time it could not clear or create a new high, and it came down to create a new low for the yesterday's market and closed near 4,420. So dominated by the sellers, lower closing. Everything looks in favor for selling, but today it's expected to open near 4,450. We should see that there is some sort of buying happening at the bottom, but still we feel the market is good for selling till 4,555 by placing stop loss near 4,570. So you have a 100-point stop loss range if you feel that this is too much for you, and you can always select the option change. You can buy some put option whenever the price is hitting the resistance, so that you can have some control on your stop loss, or you can decrease the stop loss. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.